In Joann's, there are a ton of options for kids, especially activities and sensory play, holiday activity kits, arts and crafts, a lot of things. Hey guys, this is Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and we are going to do a shop with me at Joann's. Look, they have little sun catcher kits. This one looks like it glows in the dark, and it comes with the sun catcher and the paints. They also have a pumpkin, ghost in a pumpkin. This is a sew and stuff kit, so like a beginner sewing kit with a pumpkin and a ghost. Pom-pom character kits, a couple different ones. Whole bunch of stickers. There's 31 stickers in there. Ghost stickers. There's another sew kit. Little puffy stickers. Halloween watercolor paint book. Okay, so these are the ones that have page and then the watercolor on the page, and all you need is a paintbrush, and then you have to just get some water and put it on there and it'll come off. Here's some more stickers, and it says there's a scene on the back. Okay, so you can use stickers to complete the scene. Here's some coloring and activity books. This one's only $2.99. Guys, the prices are not bad at all. Oh, what's this? Looks like somebody was doing like a boo basket. This is Happy Halloween Treat Bag Kit. Oh, you can make your own little Halloween candy bag. That's cute. This is cute too. Another little bat squishy kit. So you just color in and the squishy is included. You see these at Dollar Tree, but these are glow in the dark already. You just color them, so $2.99 for those. We have the bead kit for a jack-o'-lantern. These have those little crystals and you put in the oven to melt them, and you make like a little sun catcher kind of thing. They have that in the candy corn too. A wood paint kit. Here's another one of those bacon ornament kits. Sun catchers, more wood painting kits, and then the plaster kits. There's a couple of those. Pumpkin, probably my favorite. These are cool. They are like a color and playhouse. This is over 3.6 feet tall. And so you color it in and decorate it, and then you can play inside of it. It's $29.99, but it's saying it's half off right now. Down here we have pet cupcake. I don't know what that means. What is that? What is that? You adopt a cupcake and you decorate it, and there's a certificate of adoption in there. Kind of random, but okay, I'm with it. Pom-pom sticker kit. This would be great for the preschool age. There's a ghost in there. It's adhesive and you put all little pom-poms on there. They also have this one, looks like in pumpkin. Jack-o'-lantern. Looks like a scary ice cream cone with an eyeball on it, and a kitty cat, a little owl, and oh, this one's adorable with the spiders. Then we have a whole bunch of sticker sets. So you can just free craft with all of these. All foam stickers. Oh, look, here is a matching board game. That's really cool. Has the pouch that comes with it. And then more bead kits, jewelry kits that are all Halloween themed. Look, there's even more over here. This is insane. So down here we have some foam platters. So these have pieces in there that you can make all the different things or be creative with. This is a color in plush. So there's a couple of different ones. And you just decorate it and have your own little plushie. This is a wood haunted house kit. So color it in and you build the house. LED plaster kit, a little jack-o'-lantern. Here's what it looks like it's not done. They also have the haunted house one, and that's a painting kit too. It says it lights up. So it comes with the paint and the little light and the paintbrush. Then we have this. It says it's rubbery, glue-free stickers. We stick and restick to smooth surfaces. Wet or dry, leaves no residue. So it's like a little folder that has all kinds of stickers inside. And then this is the same thing, but kind of a different theme with all the stickers. Like this one is a little tote that has a Halloween activity book in it and some stickers, and there's a couple different ones, and it comes with some markers, a little zippered pouch. And down here is some more of those foam platters. I think you get different things in each one just depending on what you want. And you can pick kind of the style or like mix and match them. Look how cute these plushies are. My favorite is the candy corn. Look how cute he is. I guess this is like ghost in a pumpkin. Looks like he has a pumpkin hat on. Okay, now that we've seen some of the Halloween craft kits, let's go back to the toys just to kind of get an idea of what they have here. This Joann's definitely has probably the biggest selection of puzzles that I have ever seen. But I'm really getting inspired for the holiday gift guides that are coming up in November. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those gift guides, because I'm looking for my favorites to include in that gift guide. Plus there's tons of giveaways, so you don't want to miss out. Oh wow, this is new. This is using melting perler beads, but they're in different themes. Animal Crossing, My Little Pony, Stitch even, Pixar, Cars, or actually Toy Story on that one, Cars, and The Nightmare Before Christmas. That's really, really cool. I had never seen those before. Those are really great. I've seen these before. They're just a little bit smaller, but these bigger kits and different themes, my kids would love this Animal Crossing one for sure. Oh wow, Perler has come out with a sensory bin. Oh my gosh. Using perler beads as the sensory bin filler. That has to be probably the smartest thing I've ever seen. Oh, and look, it has like a little stacker that you stack the perler beads on. And oh, that is so clever. See, there's little pins on there, and you stack them on to make pictures and things. So it comes with all the beads, silicone board, tweezers, scoops. That is really, really cool, you guys. I'm impressed by that. And just because I'm here and I saw this stackable mini storage bins for all the perler beads, I mean, they really think of everything. And look at these giant ones you can get. That's insane. Oh my gosh, love it. A little Nightmare Before Christmas sets too. These are great little stocking stuffers. So cute. Okay, they have the Creativity for Kids sensory stuff. And this is what we usually see at Michael's, but it looks like they have some fun stuff too. I know I've seen all of these at Michael's. These are self-adhesive posters, so you take the materials inside and you make your own collages. They're balloon theme, rainbow theme, star rainbow, and butterfly. Love these a lot. And down here they have the pom-pom pictures too, so you match the pom-poms to the different sizes and the holes in the picture, and they have several different themes. So this one was garden, this one's transportation, magical, and then a dinosaurs. Ooh, these are great. Look at these little handle ones. Sensory on the go, farmers market. I think we saw these at Michael's too. I love this one. And then this one, let's see, this one says it's, oh, hold on. This store is a little bit of a mess. Things are falling all over the place. Sensory on the go, camping fun. And then this one is magical playground. And down here they have the larger bins too that I've seen before. And these, I've actually tested some of these. Haven't tested the racetrack one though. That one looks cool. Looks like a little racetrack setup with the trophy. Oh, and then they have these down here, ice cream shop, and I've tested that one before too. I've tested the outer space one. Okay, so I really like these dissected kits. Look at this. They look so cool. So I think I saw these last year, but you dissect the skeletons out of it and you learn about it. There's also a frog one. This is really cool. Has anybody tried these? We also have a bat and a salamander. Look at, they have a magic wand inside and you move the objects through the maze. This is great for hand-eye coordination, visual tracking, and they have a couple of different ones too. This is good for travel. Ooh, and look at this board puzzle. Also comes with a board book. This brand is really good quality. Here's more of that brand. They have these magnets. Love them. We had a couple sets of these when my kids were younger. If you like this video, I'm going to put another one up here on the screen for you to go watch next. I will see you over there. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.